Welcome to Ingram ID. Ready to promote your book? By creating an account, you've now unlocked new possibilities for marketing your book and reaching new readers. Let's get started.
To create a promotional email in Ingram ID to advertise your book, click on Create Campaign on the left. Then name your campaign. Make sure your campaign name is unique and recognizable, such as the title of your book, so you can easily find it later. I want to promote a book named Calamity Club, so that's what I'm naming this campaign. After that, search our database for the book you want to promote. If your book is in our database, search results will appear and some of the book's information will automatically be added into your ad. If your book is not in our database, you can choose to add your book manually. You will need to enter your book's information later in the process instead. You can search by using the book's title, author name, or ISBN. When you find the book you want to promote, click on it to select it, then click on the Add Title button. After that, click on the Continue button. Then select Create My Own Campaign and click on the Set Up My Campaign button. Next, choose the audience that you want to reach with your promotional email. Note that not all audiences are available for promotional emails. To see which audiences are available for emails, filter by service here and choose Promotional Email. For this example, I will choose Fiction Women's. Since we are creating a promotional email ad, click on the Promotional Email box. Note that you can see future email send dates that are available by clicking View Availability. Next, click on the Set Up This Ad Platform button. Confirm that your audience is correct in Step 1. In Step 2, choose the date that you'd like your promotional email to be sent. After choosing the send date, you will see the subtotal of your promotional email. In Step 3, you will add the content of your promotional email. First, enter the subject line for your promotional email. Since this is the first thing readers will see in their inbox, choose a subject line that captures attention and encourages people to open your email. Then enter your email's pre-header copy. The pre-header is shown directly under the subject line. After that, upload a header image for your email. This image needs to be landscape. The header link is the link that people will be directed to when they click on your header image. This link should be a link where people can buy your book, such as the retailer's website. If the book you selected for your promotional email was in our database, you will see some of the book's information automatically pulled into this next section. If not, this is where you will enter your book's information so that it shows up in the email. Here you will enter your book's description. The description is a summary of your book that will appear beside your book's image. You have 400 characters, so be sure to use this space to grab the reader's interest. Then choose the call to action, which is the button for your email. Next, enter the link for that button, which should be the link where people can buy your book. This section, which is editorial, is content that goes under your book's image and description. Use this space to highlight your book's reviews, marketing copy, or anything else you want readers to know about you or your book. You can add another image if you'd like. This one will go in the footer of the email. Then add your publisher's name. In Step 4, you will be able to see a preview of your email. Review your email and ensure everything looks good and links to the correct pages before clicking on the box to confirm that your email is ready to be published. Then click on the Continue button and the Save and Return to Cart button. Now, you are ready to pay for your promotional email campaign. You will do this by clicking on the Proceed to Checkout button. Lastly, enter your payment information to complete the setup of your campaign.